I'm Sean Ewan, and I'm the co-founder and chief beerpreneur of Wooden Hill Brewing Company and a Comcast business partner. Here's our story. It all started about 7-8 years ago when I got my brother a homebrewing kit for his 21st birthday. We of course enjoyed having the beer together, but we really enjoyed sharing it with other people. And we loved how it brought people together. Comcast Internet has been the backbone of our brewery production. We need to have access to the website where we log in all of the information, where we store all the recipes, where we design the recipes, and even where we see the inventory moving from one location to another. It's very important that we can rely on that service and continue with our mission to share the joy of craft with people. Wooden Hill Brewing Company relies on the high-speed internet service for quite a lot more than first meets the eye. So there's the typical things you would expect, like the point-of-sale service. But we also do some unique things here, like our menus are actually run through projectors that are displaying the content from the internet. So our staff is able to update it in real time. We're able to update it remotely as well. By not having to worry about my Comcast service, it allows me and the others here to focus on brewing new beers, getting new food to everybody, being able to host more events, being able to grow our business. And so that's been a very valuable resource for us.